Playing sports offers numerous benefits, both physical and mental. Here are some of the key pros of engaging in sports. 1. Physical fitness, improved cardiovascular health. Regular physical activity in sports helps enhance cardiovascular function, reducing the risk of heart disease. Muscle development. Sports involve a variety of movements that contribute to the development and strengthening of muscles. 2. Mental health, stress reduction. Physical activity in sports helps in reducing stress by releasing endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. Improved mood. Regular participation in sports is associated with lower levels of depression and anxiety, contributing to an overall positive mood. 3. Social skills, teamwork. Team sports teach collaboration, communication, and cooperation, fostering a sense of teamwork. Friendship and camaraderie. Sports provide opportunities to make friends and build lasting relationships with teammates and opponents. 4. Discipline and time management, structured routine. Sports require commitment, adherence to schedules, and practice, promoting discipline and time management skills. Goal setting. Athletes often set and work towards achieving specific goals, fostering a sense of purpose and motivation. 5. Self-esteem and confidence, skill improvement. As individuals develop and improve their skills in sports, they gain a sense of accomplishment, boosting self-esteem. Facing challenges. Overcoming challenges in sports helps build resilience and confidence in one's abilities. 6. Healthy lifestyle habits, physical activity habits. Engaging in sports promotes an active lifestyle, encouraging individuals to stay physically active throughout their lives. Nutritional awareness. Athletes often become more conscious of their nutrition, leading to healthier eating habits. 7. Academic performance, improved concentration. Regular physical activity has been linked to better concentration and improved academic performance. Balancing priorities. Involvement in sports helps individuals learn to balance academic and extracurricular commitments. 8. Lifelong learning and adaptability, skill acquisition. Learning and mastering new sport skills contribute to a mindset of continuous learning. Adaptability. Sports often require quick thinking, adaptability, and the ability to adjust to changing situations. 9. Healthy competition, sportsmanship. Playing sports teaches individuals to respect opponents, follow rules, and display good sportsmanship. Handling wins and losses, dealing with victories and defeats helps build emotional resilience. 10. Cultural understanding, global connectivity. Many sports have a global appeal, fostering cultural understanding and connections across borders. Engaging in sports is a holistic activity that positively impacts various aspects of an individual's life, contributing to both physical and mental well-being.